Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing a shoe haul from the Statement store inside the Cherry Hill Mall. So today I am showing you my Nike mid-lows that I got from the mall today for $350. I'm going to take a look at them. Look how beautiful they are. Take a look at these. The color is dark beetroot. Kind of like a burgundy, dark purple. Some like white along here. The burgundy, the dark beetroot. The shoelaces too. The back. These are the soles. This is like the Nike symbol on the back. Of course, the classic logo right here. This is Nike up here. Here's what they look like on. I love the color. Here is the other side. Isn't it beautiful? Sorry it's so blurry. I'm recording with my tablet. My iPhone died, so I'm resorting to using my tablet.